Hi, I'm Barbara Hail. I live in Northridge, California. I just have completed cataract surgeries for first my left eye and then my right eye with Dr. Brian, and everything went beautifully. I see very well, better than I did way many years ago, I think. I'm reading without reading glasses, which I've used for years. And I'm very pleased and very happy. Dr. Brian is a very caring man. He has a wonderful staff, very well trained. Highly recommend this practice. He did a procedure on me about 17 years ago when he was still at the Joel Stein Institute at UCLA. So I've had quite a long relationship, and you can't go wrong. He's wonderful. He's caring, and highly recommend.